Manan, you are a new generation, I would not say a consultant because Remax, I believe, is a franchisee model. Can you throw some light on how this networking, it's a very unique concept where within short time you are able to, capture entire India within, I think, believe 4 or 5 years time. So can you share with us, especially, we have a lot of new generation realtors are present, they might also get some tip out of it.
So I am a chartered accountant by profession, and what we realized in real estate broking was a lack of 3 things which are missing for all brokers pan-India. First is what we talk about technology. So when we started with Remax about 4 years ago in Ahmedabad, people said that we don't need technology to sell real estate. Real estate is sold by classified advertisement through contacts, through phone, SMS, all that. So we said, okay, maybe, but being with Remax 40 years, Remax has experience in more than 90 countries. We said that we work in this fashion. Today, I read a headline that, I had read an article that online portals have a market of 300 crore annually in this same India. Now, we being brokers, why, if technology is not needed, how come online portals are earning so much? So, Remax is a concept which shares technology between brokers, and we have a portal in which everybody puts their listing free. So, you don't need to pay per listing per month to a portal. That is one thing. Another thing is brand. I collected a lot of cards today. I saw the diary directory, and I saw that everybody was trying to invest and develop their own brand. What Remax has, you will see a few pages with offices with Remax brand. What we have realized is worldwide over a period of time, creating your own brand is going to drain out a lot of profits and time. So we share a brand and everybody uses the same brand. The third important thing which you would understand is training. Agents, like small offices, cannot run their own training programs. So what we did was all agents combined have a common training program and which is focused on improving their income, profitability. So coming from a CA background, I didn't know anything. Remax trained me that this is the way, step by step, you grow market share in your city which you operate. We are doing that. It's a slow and steady process, but the key fundamental is sharing. We share technology, training, brand. Of course, we share office space, but that's basically fundamental of franchising.
Great. Can we acknowledge, please? Thank you. Looking at today's scenario, everything is open, online. If you can put yourself at a level from where, you also start getting mandate from different companies around the world, creating a network, as you said, currently Remax, for example. How do you get mandate? I mean, what are the model actually you use?
Yeah. So getting a mandate, what we promote is getting an exclusive mandate for anything you work on. So if you are selling a property, don't sell it that open, that everybody can sell it. Either you work on it or you don't. If you work on it, it should be exclusive. Now, why would a customer give an exclusive mandate? You need a good reason to convince him. So one of the reason is that you are as experienced like him, as you have done so much transactions, you have staff, you have etc. etc. Another thing is you are joined in a network like Remax. So what we do is we say that we are 1 lakh agents and we have the technology you need and I have the training you need to sell this property, so give me an exclusive mandate for 6 months. That's how we get the mandate. Once we get the mandate, if we don't get the mandate, we don't waste the time. If we get the mandate, then we put our blood and sweat into it and make it work. Now the beauty is that for getting the mandate, you require training. Just joining the Remax network won't help you. So first and foremost, training. Second, technology. Yeah, and you get when you get training and the backing, what you get is a confidence. And when we have got a lot of exclusive mandate projects, completed it on time, before time, and walked away with a fat commission check. So that's how it works.
Great. The very crucial question is technology. Uh, it's threat also, because what happens is we have seen a lot of developer. Consumer today is techno savvy, so all the developers are having beautiful website, more beautiful than us, more interactive than us. They have access to customer. Consumer have access directly to the developer. Developers coming with their own big advertisement campaign. We had never seen in real estate, 10 years back, nobody would have thought in their distant dream that a person like Aishwarya Rai, those kind of people will be, selling the real estate. So how do you look at it? I mean, is it a threat? How will you prepare yourself to, in this environment also, that why customer should come to a real estate agent? Why customer will come to you?
One important data I would like to put here, in US there was a survey and about online effective, like who sells online real estate. 97% of people started their search online for a home. In US, which is remember it's a very advanced market as far as technology and real estate regulations are concerned. So even there, 97% people started their research online. However, only 3% finished their transaction online. Remaining 97% people still required an agent to close the transaction. So, trust me, for next 20 years, your business is secure. Unlike a travel agent business got wiped off because of internet. Brokers have not got wiped off in any of the 220 countries in which internet is present. So don't worry about that. More so, I will tell you one thing is, you should adopt technology as a tool rather than a threat. So use it as an opportunity to market your services. Developers can only sell primary sale through technology. Resale, it is up to you. You have to sell yourself, you have to sell resale.
Great. I think another most important thing is 2 decades back, if somebody asked, what are you doing? And people used to have a bit backward that they didn't disclose that what kind of business they are into, because typically, our fraternity was called as a dalal. And I have seen a lot of people not getting, good rista for the marriage 25 years back, if you are into real estate agency. Over the years, a lot of things transformed. Today we can see, everybody is proud to be a realtors. And next generation is actually attracted towards this profession. We are doing a Omen service. I want to ask you have to answer me in one word, what is the best thing you like about your profession as a realtor? What is that one thing which makes you what you are and you are growing in this industry?
I would say independence.